With continuous usage and consistency, you will surely achieve your dream skin tone. Hi Blessed team, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for passing by this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video as well. So if you wish to get that flawless glowing skin tone, if you wish to get that yellowish skin tone without using any body lotion, then this video is for you. Please stay glued and watch this video to the end. So let me introduce the ingredient I'll be using, and this is white now. This oil whitens the body evenly. It makes your skin smooth and glowing. It also clears dark spots. So make sure you are buying the original one. My next ingredient is bio oil. This oil helps improve appearance of uneven skin tone. It also reduces the appearance of acne scars, stretch marks, and many more. Vitamin E prevents skin cancer, reduces skin itching, preventing or minimizing appearance of scars. Bell eclat. This helps erase dark spots, lightens the skin, and gets rid of green veins. If you don't want to see green veins in your skin, you have to use this in any pro mixing you are making. Nature's Secret argan oil protects the skin from sun damage, moisturizes the skin, and heals skin infection. AHA white body serum reduces hyperpigmentation, gives radiance and glowing skin tone. Rosehip oil evens out skin tone, brightens the skin, treats wrinkles, exfoliates and moisturizes the skin as well. 42-hour serum cleanses the skin, and it contains fruity acid, which is very good for our skin. Lavender oil treats skin blemishes, reduces redness, protects and nourishes the skin. Avocado oil nourishes and moisturizes the skin. It also protects the skin from UV radiation. Shenic glyceptine eradicates freckles and sunspots caused by excessive exposure to the sun, and this can be used on its own because it contains sunscreen. Next ingredient is saffron oil, which instantly freshens up your skin and make it looking glowing. Magic Force brightens, lightens, and beautifies your skin in just 3 days. Arbutin Intense Serum help reduce dark spots and treat hyperpigmentation. Action Miracle. This oil gives you radiant glow. It helps soften and hydrate the skin. More White is a strong lightening serum which unifies your complexion. It also enhances skin strength. Jojoba oil is an effective skincare product which must be added to your everyday skincare routine. This jojoba oil treats acne, sunburn, and penetrates the skin for deep hydration. Propylene glycol helps other ingredients make their way to your skin. It also makes your skin smooth and hydrates it. Action Jolly oil, which is a double action oil and is very effective. And this is my raw whitening oil I'm going to use to boost this glow oil. Herbal Skin Doctor Body Ampules help skin to look firmer, younger, and smoother. And here I have an empty bottle of skin-free milk, and this milk helps you to clear your dark knuckles, dark feet, and stubborn spots on your skin. So now let's start mixing the ingredients. So I've just poured my Action Jolly oil. I've poured everything into my mixing bowl. Next ingredient is avocado oil. So I have in there about 2 tablespoons and I added everything. Magic Force, I'm going to use the full bottle. And I'm going to use the full bottle of Action Miracle too. Full bottle of 42 hours. Next, I'll add my whitening oil. I'm adding everything because I want this oil to be very effective. 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil. 1 tablespoon of vitamin E. I'm adding the full bottle into the mixing bowl. My saffron oil, I'm adding just 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of lavender oil. And some drops of alpha arbutin intense serum. One tablespoon of aha, 1 tablespoon of argan oil, to use everything in the bottle. Bio oil, I'm pouring everything. Adding 2 tablespoons of my whitening booster so it can boost the oil very well. I'm going to use 4 pieces of the body ampules in this oil, and this body ampules helps your skin to look firmer, younger and smoother. 1 tablespoon of propylene glycol, 1 tablespoon of Shenic glyceptine, and now I'm done with adding all my additives, and I'm going to mix everything together. With this oil, you don't necessarily need any whitening body lotion or body cream. All you need is a good moisturizer to moisturize your skin and a good exfoliation tool. This oil can be used on the face and the body as well. Although I added sunscreen because of the sun, but I will advise you to use it at night for effective work. And if you have any questions regarding this video, please leave it in the comment section down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video. Till we meet again in my next video. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.